Florida man is at it again. This time, this particular Florida man saw a Walmart drone and allegedly shot it down because he thought it was spying on him. In reality, this mysterious flying object was part of a Walmart drone delivery demonstration conducted to attract business and interest, according to Fox 35 Orlando. The local news report explains that the delivery crew stood in a cul-de-sac waiting for the drone to descend to make this faux delivery. Instead, they heard a loud gunshot, then saw an older man holding a gun toward the sky. The suspect ended up getting arrested with charges for discharging a firearm on residential property and for criminal mischief resulting in damage of over $1,000. According to Walmart, the damage actually amounted to around $2,500, mostly to the drone's payload system. Okay, Florida man jokes aside, what does this incident mean for the future of drone shipping? It's not just Walmart that's invested in this technology. Amazon and Google also want to send our packages flying through the sky. But is this even feasible? I know these are incomprehensibly wealthy, multi-billion-dollar companies, but investing in drone shipping is wild to me. In 2022, Amazon was estimated to be spending $484 on each drone delivery, and while that price has been estimated to drop to around $63, that's still almost 20 times more expensive than ground delivery. On the off chance that these drone costs go down, will these companies' hopes be dashed by people shooting drones out of the air? Like, imagine you order some printer ink on Amazon that's supposed to get delivered by drone, but then you get a notification that your printer ink has been shot down and will never be found again. I mean, maybe that's a concern because this is not the first time this has happened. And with each successive drone shooting, we keep running into the same issues in which the law has not been written to legislate violence against flying Amazon deliveries. In a 2016 drone shooting incident, the Federal Aviation Administration pointed to a law on aircraft sabotage, though that was more focused on manned aircrafts. Then, similarly to this recent Florida incident, a 2020 drone shooting resulted in felony charges related to criminal damage and discharging a weapon in city limits. But all this might not end up being relevant because the drone deliveries are so expensive. So if a Walmart delivery drone falls and no one is there to hear it, did it really make a sound?